What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa Green, and today, as you can see by the title, I will be doing a Firmoo Glasses review, and I will be doing an unboxing and a review for these glasses. Now, you may see me looking on this side because that's where my camera is, so even though I'm in the middle, but my camera is here, so I will be focusing more on this side if you guys are wondering. So they have glasses, sunglasses, prescription and non-prescription. It comes in a hard case, or it may come in a box like this. And as you can see, there's a flap here where you can use it and you just pull it out like this and your glasses will be inside. The glasses are not going to be inside just the empty box like this. They do come inside of a pouch like this, which also doubles as a cleaning cloth. So you can use this to clean your glasses off, and you can use this pouch to store your glasses. All the glasses are very inexpensive. No more than $49. Very easy to fill out the order and put in your prescription information on the website if you wear prescription glasses. So it's very easy to use. It's if you need customer service, the customer service is very nice and very helpful. They have really cute styles and different shapes and also different colors, which I did like about that, to choose from. So it's whatever your preference is. What I also liked about the website is that you can submit a picture of yourself, and you can see how you look with the glasses on before you buy the glasses, which is very cool because you get a feel of it to see if you like it or not before you purchase. So the glasses that I chose, as you can see, has a clear lens and a gold frame. And the reason why I chose these glasses is because I feel that these glasses can go with almost anything as far as the outfit. It will match with any outfit, because it's like a neutral tone and it can, go over a variety of things. My glasses took about 5 to 7 business days, and maybe a little less than that. And I am going to remove the glasses because I see that you can see the glare inside of the glasses when I put them on. But like I said, my glasses came within 5 to 7 business days, very well packaged, and shipping was fast. And like I said before, it's easy to navigate the website. And if you need help, customer service is there. Make sure you click the link in my description box and check out Firmoo website for yourself so you can choose from a variety of styles, lens, prescription and non-prescription. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.